Hello everyone, I am Pramit and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a Lego car out of 10696. So let's start. These are the parts which we need. First, let's take this and this and this and this piece and this. Okay, let's start. First these two, three, then put this with two holes and stick, then the other square, the other one like this. Next, you should put this right over here. I forgot a part. Then just put this piece on the other hole, in the other hole like this. See? Okay. And then this square over here with orange. Then this black on the red. I know it's a double layer, but it's still okay because I got everything under control. Next is these two and these two. Okay, let's start. Here we go. Egg and bake. Then on this big part, I put that on the top. See, almost done. Then these two and these two. Okay. Here's the eyes. I know it looks very cool. Here we go. Pee. And the reds on the bottom of it. See, these reds. Prick. And these grills on the middle. And I'm nearly to the finish line. Now we are ready to put glue. Here we go. Now I'll show you a quick showing, okay? Quick show, okay? Let me show. Now, this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, just search for my name. If you want to spell my name, okay? Let's spell it Pramit. Bye bye.